He don't cast. Say, he don't cast. Where is Ogechi Urerere na Chicago? Ogechi, where are you hiding? Come out of your hiding place. Abamaloso. Ogechi, you claim to be Karisia. Ogechi, you opened your mouth and said that $1,000 can solve all your case. All the defamatory cases that you have. That is just a matter of $1,000. It's just a matter of money. Ogechi, why are you running? Why are you hiding? Why you eguja to go Ogechi urerere? So a lot of you don't know this particular woman that you are going to watch her video before I start to analyze. Because oftentimes when you see me talk about Ogechi, you people, I just come out on the internet to drag Ogechi. I have a lot of reasons why I despise Ogechi. Why I hate Ogechi urerere na Chicago. Number one reason why I hate Ogechi is because of this woman that you are going to watch her video. She is the one that placed a 1 million naira offer to anybody that will find Ogechi. To anybody that has Ogechi's location and details. Give another 1 million naira. Wanyi mewuni ihe. Wanya wo karisia 001 of Facebook in 2020-2019. Oh, Ogechi Johnny akparigide this woman. Because gini ka the woman mere Ogechi? The woman potrasi Ogechi oti she treat ndi Igbo ademma. I'm an Igbo woman. I married to an Hausa man. Oge memoma happen my own people. This woman literally was out for Igbos. The Igbos on Facebook, most of you got help through this woman. But Ogechi potara because nwata ojo karate yarere. Barigide this woman. If you nye a nickname, barigide this woman. Baria this woman. Baria dia. Baria omuya. If you hear about Ogechi's Interpol case, or this woman, most of you don't know. In an Ogechi, Interpol is looking for Ogechi. Ogechi is declared wanted. Ogechi is wanted. Lekuonyo here. Ogechi, come out. Stop running. Eti lagi ni mebutu na ne buga aga kotonu. Kega ba plane. Ogechi agwangi, if he shot for you, show your pictures in Nigerian airport. Ogechi potano bia make case. Eche me show $1,000 gezugi make case. He made all these cases. It's just a matter of $1,000. Let's watch the video. This amazing sweet woman, this sweet soul, this woman that was out to help the Igbos in 2018, 2019, 2020. Oh, Mako, insult Ogechi parere. Insult Ogechi nyere for complete 5 years. This woman jelakwo. Let's watch the video she made about Ogechi before I start to analyze. When I tell you that Ogechi is a terrible person, or what a terribleness ya bidro, not be today. What
the essence? You have a lot of issues, a lot of cases upon you, and you're still running away. You don't want to come to the police to answer whatever case you have with people. And the same you, Ogechi Okeke Njaka. While you were in America, you opened your mouth to say whatever thing you have said against everyone. You have the evidence and the proof. Today now, you're on the run. Running away from whatever you say with your mouth and whatever you may have committed. I'm not the only person you have case with me. Different people. In fact, even with the government. And same you went and lied to your embassy. Either your documents got stolen, you were arrested. Why didn't you tell them the people who arrested you? And why didn't you tell them the issues you have on ground? Why? What's the essence of lying? Why you claim you're this, you're that? While you said even $1,000 can settle your case in the police station. You're going to be in the presence of the police and beat whoever you want to beat. Same you. I told you my promise to you. You must stop. You must stop terrorizing the Igbos. You must stop all this nonsense you are doing against humanity. You must stop by force, by fire. You must stop. It's a promise. And you can see it's not playing. And you're running. You're on the road. And you went and lied to your embassy. Forgotten that before you got there, we are already there. The police are already there. With your details, with your information. I think you may end up bundling yourself inside the boots to escape from this country. But you can always run, but you cannot hide. Because someday, sometime, the law will catch up with you. You have a case with the Interpol. You have a case with Nigerian government. You have a case with individuals. You have a case
must have finished watching that video. Ogechi insulted this woman. So I have 101 million reasons to insult Ogechi. Ogechi belittled this woman. When Ogechi was dragging and insulting this woman in Facebook, in this particular Facebook, that time was not the era of saga. And this time, Nana Abasaga gets on stage. But Ogechi went too far to insult this woman. Nothing. Even I believe this woman even donated to Ogechi's NGO. This woman sent it to Ogechi. Ogechi Urere Chicago. This woman sent it to Riego during that time. Oh. But all of a sudden, Ogechi changed Jaha to Maryam Shegu. Bido pariwa the woman. Tiwa picture omuya. Tiwa picture the woman. Pariwa ya unprovoked. Ipotagesi parikwala Ogechi. Ogechi bagodi gwagodi ndo wa ihe nwanya ameregi na 2018 to 19 to 20. Ogechi karịrị nwanya. Nwanya ji ego karịa gị. Even that time na watch this woman with my Android Technophone. Nwanya na-eyi gold from head to toe. Very classy, very bougie. That time amadi m ihu akwa nwanya na-akụ n'ahụ. Ogechi iwo obere nshi where this woman dey. You get people where you know supposed to dey insult Ogechi. Ikwesịrị mata at the initial na nwanya akarịrị gị ọwụ na ị na America. O nwere ndị they don't even hack some people in America. This woman is an amazing sweet soul. A woman that despite she even married an Hausa man, she came out to fight for the Igbos, to help fight for the Igbos. Ezigbo nwanne anyị. Ogechi atụtụrụ nwanya ihu Ogechi mere nwanya na internet. Gị nwa na-alụchitere Ogechi ọgụ, you will withdraw. Nwanyị na-akarị ibe ya ka ewu karịsịa dị na nwanyị. You see this Maryam Justice, this particular woman, just to tell Ogechi, stop this thing you are doing to the Igbos. Stop humiliating them. Stop bullying them. Stop insulting them. Gịnị ka ndị Igbo mere gị? Ndị na-egwu wayo, why iji egwu ha wayo? Hapụ ndị aka no. These people are struggling in Nigeria. You are in America. Ogechi atụtụrụ nwanyị. Ogechi atụtụrụ nwanyị ala nwanyị n'iyi. Ihe Ogechi ji ọnụ mee nwanyị. Ihu nga ngwago Ogechi okwu gị sim Chisom insult Ogechi and her generation. He ga-agwa m. Ị ga-asị m Chisom go on insult Ogechi. That bitch does not deserve anything good. You where they fight for Ogechi, if you see videos of Ogechi insulting this woman, oh my goodness. Iga man Ogechi mere mefe. Why is Ogechi running? The woman is out now. Ogechi is running. Ogechi is nowhere to be found. I want to claim, we come Nigeria, we come Nigeria. Why are you running? Why are you running? Why is it that you don't want to drop your location? Ogechi, Ipu, drop location. Ki wereze that your $1,000 mee case ka I hụ ịpụta gị sị m Ogechi is better than you and your generation. Ogechi is better than you. Stop insulting Ogechi. I despise Ogechi. I hate Ogechi. Most of you don't have Android phone in 2018. Olubochi zuru phone. Anyone wunde akube mara mam lego Ogechi. So that is the main reason why I hate Ogechi. I never knew that I will come to internet to insult Ogechi back, to be Ogechi's scammer. I never knew. Ihu Ogechi mere ndị mmadụ na wa for you. Ị ga-hate Ogechi ashi. Ị ga-hate ya kpọ ya ashi. Ya kwariwa ọ na-emere unu short video. Ogechi kpurerere nwaanyị achịgbara ụkwụ short engine nwude dwarf of a human being. Ị na-aga eboro moto Mercedes mmadụ eme video. Shameless akpatịtị. Lee nonsense ị na-eyi. Lee akwa okreke ị na-eyi. Thrifted wears ndị ị na-eyi ji bịa Nigeria be claim karịsịa. Look at the hospital. Iji kparịa this Maryam justice. The hospital. Igbos contributed over 100 million for you. Lee here 2-bedroom flat or 3-bedroom flat. That place that you want to convert to a hospital, you couldn't even put POP. Gị kọ ya PVC were 2 fan abụọ T for Igbos 100 million. Echekwa na ọwụ elu. Lee nonsense ịrụrụ. Ọ bụrụgodo ụlọ ga-rent ndị mmadụ. Nwe ga-rent ụlọ. You people don't know where that hospital is. In Awaka, inside Awaka, Imo State. Oh ya ka o ji napụ ndị Igbo 100 and something million Ogechi. Nwaanyị apụtakwu oge kparịwa ya. Useless girl. Laghachi gbara ụkwụ ya. Show yourself. Akumbe ama m na ị chọrọ iburu enyi gị nwaanyị nwe Ogechi kpurerere buru ya na boot bufe ya ka ọ ga-aba plane na Benin na Cotonou. Pray they don't catch her. Ya pụta goshizi onwe ya now. And Ogechi, if you go back to Chicago without showing yourself ihere gị imekata laghachi Chicago pụta bezie ịpụta na internet gị bịa bawazie mbọtụ isi bịakwa na Nigeria ka emekwe gị. Shame to you if you don't come out to use that your $1,000 to do case. Ibebeda abịa I complain wala Nigeria. I complain wala Nigeria is expensive. Nigeria is expensive. But this was the same Nigeria ndị mmadụ nọ na-emere gị transfer na contribute to your NGO. Gị nwa ka abịara na-erube 1 week I complain wala. But people in Nigeria was funding your NGO, funding your lifestyle. Gị nwa nọ na America. Shame to you. Imekata la Chicago without doing this case with people. Ihere gị, shame to you. Any day pụtara na internet kwu okwu ma akparị aga Ogechi. I promise you, any day pụtara tụọ ọnụ na internet ma akparị aga. I'm akparị gị regardless. Akwa nwere hotel, why didn't you go to that your hotel in Imo State? Ga goshi ndị mmadụ ụlọ ashawo chalet gị. Anya hụ side ahụ. Ọwụ mpakara hospital 2-bedroom flat ịrụ na ama merụ ebe ahụ ka ụlọ obibi. Because of ihe ndị mmadụ ga-ekwuzi gị convert ya to hospital. Ihe ọ dị ka hospital. Who wants to go and dump their own person that place ma imepe ya as hospital? Ebe ọ bụ ebe ga-egbu ndị mmadụ. Shame to you if you don't do this case. Hi diwa mewe kpuru. Ihe m na-eche wo ka ịlaghachi Chicago bịa tụọ ọnụ. You are going to the embassy to tell them that you lost your informations. You lost your passport. You lost your details. Shameless woman. I hate you with passion. In Ghana, through the embassy, you lost all your things. You lost all your documents. You get me asylum na Nigeria. If you case, you get me case. Useless thing. Lay your dwarf with the K leg. Achibaro. Epota gina pari nde mmadụ nde kacha gị mma. Legodi this Maryam justice. Compare legodi onwe gị otie better na Nigeria. Legodi this woman.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts, subscribe. Thank you for watching.